Hello everybody, welcome back to VBA lesson 7. In this video, I will talk about how to calculate the volume for a cylinder. So this file you can download it from the online course shell. And as we can see here, to be able to get the volume of a cylinder, we have to have the radius of the cylinder R and the height of the cylinder H. If we have those two pieces of information, we'll be able to calculate the volume. Right. So let's write a program to do this. Visual Basic, and go to Insert Module. All right. So let's start by typing option explicit. Okay. This is important because once you type this, it means that it gives some kind of warning if you use a variable that's not declared. So it's a very handy feature. And next up, we want to declare a function. Okay. This is something we haven't done before. The point of having a function is that function is just a block of code that you might want to reuse it many times. If you don't want to type it out again and again, what you can do is write a function for it, such as the formula for calculating the volume of the cylinder. Okay, you can write a function for it, and when you write a program, you can call to this function. It'll save you a lot of time, and it's not easy to make a mistake. Okay, so function, I will call it cylinder volume. Okay. And in this function, I will have my radius and my height. So R is my radius as double. Okay. And my H is my height as double as well. And then this entire function is double. Now I declared my function. And next up, we have to let the program know the pi we are using. The pi is a constant number. So constant pi is equal to, let's use 3.14 for it. Okay. And we want to write a formula for the cylinder volume down here. So cylinder volume is equal to pi times R squared times H. Alright, so that looks good. That's my function here. And then we will start writing the program. Sub. So let's call our program something different. Let's not use the same name as the function. So sub test cylinder volume. Can be whatever you want, or just volume if you want. All right, let's declare the R as double. Also declare the H as double. Declare the V. V is the volume as double. All right. Once we have all that, we can ask the users to put in the information. Let's look back at the worksheet. We do not have cells to put information in. So what we can do is we can create message boxes and ask the users to put in the information in those boxes. It's actually a very nice feature. Okay. And for us to do that, it's very easy as well. So R equals input box. So that just means that this information will be put in the message box. Okay, input box. I have to ask the user to enter the radius. So enter radius. Okay. All right. And then let's copy and paste this because we will be doing the same thing for the height. Okay, so instead of R, we are going to change this to H. Instead of radius, we'll change this to height. Okay. And then we want to have a message box to tell the users that this is the volume. Since you put in the radius and the height, now we have the volume. So we can put in volume of the cylinder is or equals. Okay. And cylinder volume. My two variables will be R and H. Okay. And that should be it. Right? Let's go back to the worksheet. So we don't have anything here to instruct the users to put in information. So let's create a button here. Right, I'm gonna link this to my program. And I'll call it, click on here to calculate the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so let's click on that. All right. As you can see, this is a message box that's asking us to enter the radius. So just to make it very simple, I would just put in something like 1 and 1, so that my answer will be just pi, right? 1 squared times 1 times pi will be pi. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, and then my height will be 1 as well. All right, my volume is 3.14, which is the value of pi. That's good. And we can do it again with 2. Okay, 2 and 2. So if everything is right, I should get about 25.12. That's what I get. Don't forget to save your file. Go to Save As and click on Macro Enable Workbook.